Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestradingschool.com. Today, 3rd October 2016. Nifty, first we will analyze in weekly chart and then we will proceed with the daily as well as in intraday hourly chart. If you look at Nifty's weekly chart, in weekly formation, moving averages 150 and 20 are in proper place. But it was in overbought condition when RSI in weekly chart was above 70 or it had touched almost 70 twice. That time it had formed a shooting star formation somewhere here with a long shadow, and closing is near the low, almost forming a doji shape here. This was a signal that market has actually tired and then correction was expected. Because this fall will be a correction because market is in bullish pattern, 150 and 20 averages are in proper shape. So in weekly chart we are still in bullish form, and in weekly formation we are in a correction phase and not in a downtrend. Now this level, which is 8540, so we will say that psychologically 8550 level should act as a support, because it had acted as a support in the past and it had acted as a resistance in the past. So resistance where we faced around 8550 level, we have tested a support, so we are currently at that level. We have closed around 8611 but tested, if you see, weekly low 555. So this level is a psychological support area wherein in the past it had proved, so in future also it will prove. 20 EMA is placed around 8480, so technical support from here will be 8480 if in case 8540 level breach. 8540 is a level where actually we had seen a close here and the same formation actually tested as support. So this area 8540 once breached, then we will see 8480. So around 60 point fall we can see, and we have a scope in that area to earn that 60 point. By the time RSI can come to this 50 level, and 50 level of RSI will act as a support. So probably 20 EMA in future will give us a support, and Nifty may give us earning opportunity of that 60 point if Nifty breaches 8500 and rather 8540 level, then we will see 8480. So this is a weekly chart analysis. Now if you look at our hourly chart, I'll just convert it into hourly chart and then come back to this the larger time frame. In Nifty hourly chart, yes, RSI was at 30 level, and we have said in the past that divergence has been seen and pullback was expected. So indeed it had tested a support at this area where 8550 level is placed. So now pullback 8653 current resistance, then price resistance will be around 8680 to 8700. And above that 8712. So in my view, after 8650, 8700 level will act as a strong resistance. So that pullback will likely to continue, and by the time RSI will come around 50. So I am expecting Nifty to continue pull back to 8700 level, and around 8700, rather after 8680 we should come out of the trade. So what I will be doing is, if I'll see in the opening itself, if Nifty opens with the positive sentiments, then I'll go long and I'll keep 8540 as a stop loss, and I'll book my profit around 8680. But I'll remember that 8650 level, this is very crucial level. Probably if it closed twice below that 8650, then I'll just book my profit or I'll exit from my strategy irrespective of my profit or loss. So if 2 hourly chart twice it closes below 8650 I'll just close my trade. If I open my trade below 8,650, if markets open above 8,650 and close 15-minute chart above 8,650, then I'll go long and I'll book my profit around 8,680 to 8,700 level. While opening this trade, I'll be keeping my stop loss below 8,540. So this would be my trading strategy for Nifty. Remember, Nifty is in a correction and not in a downtrend, and after correction it is recovering. So hourly chart is in downtrend and daily chart is in consolidation, and weekly chart is in correction of trend. So a confusing trend. All three time frames are actually showing different patterns. So in this market, only compulsive traders should trade. Remember, it's a very difficult market for trading. So defensive traders should stay away from Nifty trading and wait for at least daily and hourly chart formation in same pattern. So wish you best of luck and happy trading.